Okay, for your DIY slip and slide, what you need to build the one we're gonna build is you need a 2x4. This is 8 foot. Preferably we need a 10, but we don't have it up here. Optional are tent stakes or something large like that, like those 2 nails there to put this 2x4 into the ground. Some garden stakes, and I'll show you what they're for. A couple pool noodles. And then you want plastic sheeting. You don't want to use black because it will kill your grass. You preferably want something thicker, so we're using the 6mm clear 10 foot by 100 foot. The wider, the better. Okay, you preferably want somewhere that has a slight downhill, but you don't need it. And then you want to clear out any pokey weeds or any rocks that might puncture your plastic. So the kids are clearing our spot, and we'll show you the next step after this. Roll it up like this. Roll it into the plastic. Roll it a few times. Keep going. A little bit more. Okay, right there is good.
Not even.
That's all right. Okay. Okay, you're gonna take these garden staples. We rolled the pool needle in there, and we're gonna put them through this plastic and into the ground like this on both sides. Okay, come over here. And pool needle ends right there. We're gonna put it in right at the end of that pool needle like this. Okay, the next step, if you really want to make it solid, because when you jump on, it will pull those little stakes out of the ground. So we're gonna take this 2x4, and we've got these big nails right here. You can use tent stakes or nails. We're gonna drill a hole in this 2x4. We're gonna wrap it. Wrap the 2x4 in the plastic and then nail these into the ground for the top of the slide. So we're gonna drill a hole like this. All right, we're gonna roll this 2x4 into this plastic just a couple times like this for the top of the slide. That should be good. Then we need to pull this tight. Pull that side, Ellie. We're gonna pull it up, get that straight. Let's see over here. Hey, bud. We're gonna pull this side straight like that, and we're set. Next, we're gonna go into our pre-drilled hole. And Malik had the idea of using this rock because we don't have any hammers. And we're gonna put this into the ground. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, we are all set. We need to run a hose over here, and we have some baby shampoo to help slicken it up. And we'll show you guys how this do-it-yourself slip and slide works. All right, the kids are getting their swimsuits on. We added one extra thing, which is a few of these garden staples. We added 3 on each side to help hold this down. And this is 100 foot by 10 foot and 6mm. All right, these kids are getting the whole slip and slide wet.